As you can see, it's that time again. It's that time again. Washing the clothes, the tumble dryer, and the washing machine. I can watch the tumble dryer all day, or the washing machine. That would be pretty boring. I've got better things to do in my time than watch a tumble dryer and a washing machine all day. So most people go out for a walk outside. But no, it's too dark now. I've got to stay in. But I don't mind. It is what it is. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Get in there. There's my fire. Full bin of rubbish is to be binned. Thank you, Rockstar. Wake up, it's a beautiful morning. It's been a strange day for me. I've made the bed again, as you can tell. There you go. Bed's been made. Bed's been made. What else can I make? We don't know, do we? See what's on this boring TV. You know, I'm having problems left, right and centre recently. Here's what it bloody is. And people say to me, what the hell's all that? As we could tell, Labour have won the House, number 10. Conservative are disappointed, will reform, try and kick out Labour. That would be the day, wouldn't it? Would be the day. You can hear me flicking through the PS4. Nothing on the TV again. Except a load of rubbish. I'll show you. They're advertising this sort of stuff. And football again. Who's know about the football? Or The Boys, if you've ever seen The Boys on Prime. And even showing Eddie Murphy as well. I know, I blame it on Rockstar, I can't help myself. Right, there we go. So look, I still haven't streamed for a week, obviously, which is kind of annoying. I'm doing these videos just to keep me going. I've been watching a lot of this as well. Jeremy Corbyn, lady there, and elections, as you can see, Labour have won. All them there, the Greens, the